Licensing control measures. The driving privilege. Having a driver's license is a privilege, not a right. Protect that privilege by driving with care and consideration for others. Driving is a privilege that must be earned and one that comes with a great deal of responsibility. Responsible drivers reach their destination safely because they have courteous driving attitudes and concern for the safety of others. Driver license. A driver license shows that you have been given permission by the state to drive on public roads. You will receive a license after you have paid the fee, correctly answered questions about the law and safety rules, shown that your physical and mental condition is satisfactory, demonstrated your ability to drive safely, and have no outstanding actions on your driver record. If you have a medical problem or disability, DMV may require you to take a driving test and/or present a statement from your physician regarding your condition. Driving tests for license renewals and holders of valid out-of-state licenses are normally waived. DMV license refusal. The department will take the strongest action possible against anyone who alters or otherwise attempts to falsify a driver license. The DMV may also refuse to issue a license if you have a history of alcohol or drug abuse, have been convicted of any offense involving the transportation for purposes of sale or the transportation for compensation of a controlled substance, have made or permitted unlawful use of any driver's license, have lied on your application. If the department determines that the person has knowingly used a false or fictitious name in any application for a license or has impersonated another in making application or in taking any test, or has knowingly made a false statement or knowingly concealed a material fact or otherwise committed any fraud in any application. Do not understand traffic laws or signs. Do not have the skill to drive. The department determines that you are a negligent or incompetent operator of a motor vehicle. Have a health problem that makes your driving unsafe. Have a failure to appear or failure to pay for a traffic citation on your driving record. The department will refuse to issue or renew any license if the applicant has been mailed a notice of delinquent parking violation, has not complied with a judgment or order for family support payments. Use a crib sheet for any examination for a license. Impersonate or allow someone else to impersonate an applicant to fraudulently qualify for a license. Refuse to give a thumbprint. If the applicant has failed to furnish the department the information required in the application or reasonable additional information requested by the department. Refuse to sign the certification on the application. Submit a fraudulent birth date or legal presence document or Social Security document. If you are required to wear glasses or corrective contact lenses while driving, DMV may revoke your license if you violate this restriction. Driving without a license. The law requires a driver to have a license in his or her possession while driving. It is a misdemeanor to drive without a valid driver's license.